It's a brand new year and we welcome in 2024 with a mystery, namely our Jelly Roll Mystery Quilt, presented by our very own expert quilter Valerie Nesbitt in 10 parts, released every hour between 9 AM and 7 PM on Friday the 5th of January. Be sure to catch these great videos and produce a wonderful quilt from all your old scraps. January also sees a new video from contemporary quilter and curves expert Jenny Haynes as we fast forward her fantastic sewing machine technique so you can see the whole thing in record time. Our Tip Thursday for January features Claire Campion, explaining why it's important to quilt from the middle out to allow for shifts in the fabric. And Valerie Nesbitt returns with a second workshop this month as she demonstrates extreme knitting with these amazing outsize needles to create truly original projects from any old fabric you have lying around. And finally in January we have a very comprehensive stained glass peacock workshop from Sue Thornborough. She takes us through a step-by-step guide to creating this remarkable project using simple paper templates, an iron and a sewing machine. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.